This is the budding light of hope and knowledge, the delight of Sri Prakash educational institutions, spreading academic brilliance in all directions.
Namaste children, welcome to Sri Prakash Educational Institutions Pune. This is Satish. I am teaching social studies for grade 6th. Do you know children what know about the mountains? Who are living in the mountains? What are they? Yes, mountains are very high peaks and the tribe people are living in this region and the wildlife is totally located in the mountains. And wildlife means nothing but animals, birds, and creatures, different kinds of plants and trees are located in the mountain region. Mountain, it is considered of rocks. Today we are going to discuss about the mountains in Andhra Pradesh, about the important hills and eastern Ghats and western Ghats. Shall we go, children?
Okay, children, today our subtopic mountains. Okay, shall we go? Today agenda words in focus, keywords, learning outcomes, content analysis, summary, evaluation, assignment. First, we go with the word of the day, children. First word, hues. What is the meaning of hues? Great in size or amount or degree. What is the meaning? Great in size or amount or degree. This is hues. Derivatives, hues adjective, hugely adverb, hugeness noun form. Next one, you go with sentence, children. What is the first sentence? India has several huge mountain ranges like Himalayas. India has several huge mountain ranges in Himalayas. Here, huge is it is huge is used as a adjective. It is adjective. Next, we see the second sentence, children. See some more sentence. Salaries are increased hugely. Salaries are increased hugely. So you can use as a noun. Next one, it is a huge government. It is a huge government. Huge here used as a adjective, children. What is the derivative? Adjective. Next one, Himalaya mountains are the huge mountain. Here, huge is used before mountains, so that huge is a adjective. What is the derivative? Adjective. And next one, the markets are hugely affected due to COVID. The markets are hugely affected due to COVID. Here, hugely is used as a adverb. That is adverb. Next, our government is a huge government. It is adjective, children. So we can use huge. It is the word hugely adverb, and huge government. In the huge government, huge is used as a adjective. Okay, children. And then we go with next slide. From this lesson, children, you will learn the following keywords: populous, elevated, interior, suitable, elevated, density. Okay. Then see. End of this lesson, children, you will be able to learn the following points. We can understand about the boundaries of Andhra Pradesh, and we can understand about the districts in coastal Andhra Pradesh, understand about the hills and mountains in Andhra Pradesh, and you can recognize that Armakonda in Aరకు Valley is the highest peak in our state. You can understand about the Podu cultivation. Okay, then pre-conceptual understandings. Pre-conceptual understanding is based on your previous lesson, children. I would like to ask some questions. Please say the answer, children. Name the landforms. What are the landforms, children? Mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts. These are the landforms. What is mountain? Mountain means nothing but the land which has more height, which has steep slope, is called mountain. What is the importance of the plateau region, children? Plateau means nothing but the land which has little height, more flat, which is consisted of stones and rocks and formed by the lava is called plateau. Okay, what is the name of the plateau in Andhra Pradesh, children? As Deccan Plateau. What is the name, children? Deccan Plateau. It is in Andhra Pradesh. Our Rayalaseema districts are located in Deccan Plateau region. Okay, then you see the lesson, children. Just observe, look at the picture, children. Landforms of Andhra Pradesh. Here, just you see the landforms: oceans, glacier, plateaus, valleys, hills, highlands. These are, we can observe different kinds of landforms on the earth. So in Andhra Pradesh, if we take, children, mountains means hills, plateaus, plains. These are the main landforms in Andhra Pradesh. Just to see, this is the mountain, children. Already you know that about the mountains are very highlands. I have the steep slope. These are called mountains. And next here, if you observe the next slide, children, just you see, this is in Andhra Pradesh. Our state is a paradise of greenery with enriched rural and agriculture background. Andhra Pradesh is situated in the southeast direction, children. Where is Andhra Pradesh? If you observe the India map, it is located in the southeast direction. Southeast direction, it is very rich in the agriculture, children. It has agriculture background. And next, if you see the Andhra Pradesh, the boundaries of Andhra Pradesh, children. North direction Chhattisgarh, Odisha. South direction Tamil Nadu. Just you see, where is the north? This is It is the north direction. Odisha, Chhattisgarh. This is Chhattisgarh. And south direction, where is south? This is children. South direction Tamil Nadu. This is Tamil Nadu. West direction. This is the west direction. West direction northwest Telangana. It is northwest, children. This is Telangana. And southwest direction. Southwest direction Karnataka. This is Karnataka, children. This is Karnataka. This is okay. And southwest direction Karnataka. And east direction Bay of Bengal. This is totally Bay of Bengal, children. Totally Bay of Bengal. So these are the boundaries of Andhra Pradesh. These are the boundaries of Andhra Pradesh, children. And next one, if you see the next slide, what about the Andhra Pradesh, children? We have to know about the Andhra Pradesh. The length of coastline of Andhra Pradesh is called 972 kilometers. Coastline is start from the, just you see, children, this is totally Andhra Pradesh, which is near to the Bay of Bengal. This is totally comes under the coastline. So coastline start from the Srikakulam to Nellore. Nearly 9 districts comes under the coastal Andhra Pradesh. Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East to West, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasham, Nellore. The all are comes under the 9 districts comes under the coastal Andhra districts. So the length of the coastal Andhra is 972 kilometers. How many kilometers, children? 972 kilometers. And Andhra Pradesh secured the 7th state in area and 10th populous state in India. Which place, children? In area, it secured the 7th place and 10th populous state in India as per 2011 census. Okay. Next one, if you see the next slide, children, just to see coastal Andhra Pradesh. If you observe the coastal Andhra Pradesh, it has 9 districts in coastal Andhra Pradesh. What are the 9 districts, children? Just to see, this is starting Srikakulam. Next, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East to West, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasham, Nellore. Up to Nellore, this is totally coastal Andhra district. It has fertile soil of Godavari, Krishna and Penna river, children. So here three rivers are flowing through the coastal Andhra. River Godavari and River Krishna and River Penna. And these are the rivers flowing through the Andhra Pradesh. So that our soil is very fertile. Fertile means it has more nutrition, has more humus. We can cultivate the more crops in this area, children. Our farmers are depend on the in the cost depend on the alluvial soil, children. Alluvial soil is formed by the rivers. In Andhra Pradesh, we can find the different kinds of soils: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, sandy soil also. But most of the people, farmers, depend on the alluvial soil because that is the fertile soil. Fertile soil. It is density of population is very high, children. If we see the Andhra Pradesh, population is more, very density of population, because it is near to the rivers and it is easy to transport the goods through the waterways, and markets are available, and it is very useful for the cultivation. So many people they set up the factories and industries, minerals are available in this area, so that more people are preferred to live in this plain area in the coastal Andhra Pradesh. And next after that we go with next slide children. If we see next time, this is Rayalaseema. What is the Rayalaseema children? This is totally Rayalaseema districts are four districts comes under the Rayalaseema children. Chittoor, Anantapur, Kadapa, Kurnool comes under the Rayalaseema district. It is in the southern region of the Andhra Pradesh, south part. It is rich in minerals and horticulture crops. Rich in minerals children, aluminium, bauxite, chromite, and next one some other minerals and mines also available in this area. So it is very rich for the minerals, which is Rayalaseema district, Chittoor, Anantapur, Kadapa, Kurnool. Major landforms are mountains, plains, and plateaus in Andhra Pradesh. So this is the four districts comes under the Rayalaseema. Remaining nine districts comes under. These are nine districts comes under the coastal Andhra Pradesh. And just after that, we go with next slide, children. You have to see next point is just you see. This region is a group of four districts in the southern region of the Andhra Pradesh children, rich in the minerals. Just now we discussed this is. And next one, if we see the mountains in Andhra Pradesh, what about the mountains or hills in Andhra Pradesh? High elevated areas are in the farm hill range. If you see the hills in Andhra Pradesh children, the hill range having a height of more than how many meters children? More than 900 meters. More than 900 meters in Andhra Pradesh. YSR Kadapa, East and West Godavari, and Visakhapatnam, Chittoor, Kurnool, and Vizianagaram districts have hilly terrain. So mostly we can observe the hills in this area, Chittoor, Anantapur, Kadapa, Kurnool, Vizianagaram districts. These are so many hills are there. Hill area totally hill areas. For example, just you see children, just you see the pockets of scattered hills are called eastern ghats. You know, in Andhra Pradesh we can observe the eastern ghats located in the east direction. These are in east direction. The river Godavari and Krishna divide the hills of Andhra Pradesh as northern and southern parts. So if you see the eastern ghats children, it is divided into northern part and southern part of the Andhra Pradesh children. River Godavari and Krishna divide that. Both rivers divide the hills, eastern ghats into the two parts now. Northern eastern ghats, southern eastern ghats. And after that, just to see this is children, the average height of the mountain structure 1200 meters. The average structure 1200 meters in the eastern ghats. Aramkonda in Andhra Pradesh in Arku Valley is the highest peak in our state with 1690 meters. In eastern Ghats in Andhra Pradesh, the highest mountain is Armakonda. Where is it children? Armakonda in Arku Valley. It is the highest peak in our state with how many meters? 1690 meters height. How many meters children? 1690 meters. Where is Armakonda? It is in Arku Valley. It is the highest peak in Andhra Pradesh. Okay children, which is the highest peak in Andhra Pradesh? Armakonda. And after the next, just you see children, these hills are composed of charnokite and condylite rocks. The rocks names these are children, charnokites and condylite rocks. Arku Valley, it is very famous for the Borra caves children. Where is Arku Valley children? It is in Visakhapatnam. Arku Valley, where is it? In Visakhapatnam. Like that, Papi Hills in East and West Godavari districts are very famous tourist places. Did you go children Papi Hills? While you are going to the Bhadrachalam, then we can observe the Papi Kondalu, Papi Hills. These are in East and West Godavari district, Papi Kondalu and Arku Valley. Arku Valley, it is in Visakhapatnam. In Arku Valley, what is the famous caves children? Borra caves. What are the famous caves? Borra caves are very famous children. Borra caves. And East and West Godavari district, Papi Hills are very famous. So these are the tourist places. Every year, millions of tourists are there going to the Araku Valley and Bora Caves. They enjoying the lot. Okay, children. And next we go with next slide, children. Do you know, children, Lambasingi? What is the importance of Lambasingi? It is an interior tribal hamlet in the Chantapalli Mandala of Vishakhapatnam. So, Chantapalli, where is Chantapalli, children? From Nashipatnam to Chantapalli, nearly 48 kilometers. It is Lambasingi is located between Chantapalli and Nashipatnam. It is the highest place in Chantapalli Mandal, children. So the temperature is recorded in single digit. Single digit. Every year we can observe the temperature in the Lambasingi during the winter season. 2 degrees, 4 degrees, 5 degrees, children. It is the single digit temperature is recorded in Lambasingi. It is also known as Kashmir of Andhra Pradesh or Andhra Kashmir. It is called Andhra Kashmir. Where is it? It is in Chantapalli Mandal, Vishaka district. It is very famous, children. Every year during the month of November, December, January, during this time, so many tourists are there going to the Lambasingi. There are so many places are there, interior places. It is the tribal area, children. It is the tribal area. So the tribe people are living in this area, mountain regions. So we can enjoy the beautiful temperature in Lambasingi. It is known as a Andhra Kashmir. It receives a very less temperature during the winter season. Okay, children. Okay, I hope that you understood the lesson. The summary: Andhra Pradesh is situated in the southeast direction. The length of coastal line of Andhra Pradesh is 972 kilometers. Rayalaseema is a group of 4 districts in the south region of the state. In Andhra Pradesh, most of the high elevated areas in the form of in this region in the range. Armakonda in Araku Valley is the highest peak in our state with 1690 meters. The river Godavari and Krishna divides the hills of Andhra Pradesh as northern and southern parts. Lamasingi is an interior tribal hamlet in Chantapalli Mandal, Vishaka district, Vishakhapatnam. Okay, children, shall I ask some questions? Okay, my first question: in which direction Andhra Pradesh is situated in India? Which direction, children? Southeast direction. Very good. What are the Rayalaseema districts? Chittoor, Anantapur, Kadapa, Kurnool. 4 districts are the Rayalaseema districts. Which is the highest peak in our state, children? Armakonda. What is that, children? Armakonda in Vishaga district. Okay. Next, what is known as the Kashmir of Andhra Pradesh, children? Yes, Lambasingi. Lambasingi is known as a Kashmir of Andhra Pradesh or Andhra Kashmir. What are the rivers flowing through the Andhra Pradesh, children? River Godavari, Krishna, and Penna. Okay. Please note down the assignment, children. This is the task at home. Please note down. Name the coastal districts from north to south. What are the Rayalaseema districts? Why hill areas are suitable for plantation crops? Name some forest products. Which type of soil are more suitable for cultivation?
Children, I hope that you understood about the hills in Andhra Pradesh as well as Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats also. And we discussed about the Lambasingi. So Lambasingi it is located in the Chandapalli Mandal in Vishaga district. The least temperature is recorded in Lambasingi. So it is also known as a Andhra Kashmir. Okay, in the next class we are going to discuss an interesting topic, children. Okay, thank you.